So, mag-flex tas orchids. I have 5, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 akong orchids. So, this one, number 1. Naa siya bulak. Then, number 1. This is number 1. And this is number 2. Ang number 2 is duha. Duha yung bulak. This one. And this one. Number 2. Number 3 is kani. Number 3. Mamulak pa lang siya. Oh, almost. Number 4 is that. Number 4. Number 5 is this. Number 5. Number 6 is done na yung flower. Very, very nice. Guys, no, sa gawas. So, very, very nice. Ang akong orchids is pila na ni ka years. 12 years. 12, 13 years. Years na ay 13 years na ang akong orchids. 13 years na and always lang nagpamulak. 13 years na siya. Nagsige lang siya pamulak. Very nice. Very, very nice. I love it, boy. Makalipay tan-awon. Relax si magtan-aw kasi imong mga tanom. Very nice. Very nice po ang sa gawas. Very nice sa gawas. Very nice ang view sa gawas. Very, very nice. Pero very, very tugnaw. Very, very tugnaw. So, mao lang to guys. Gi-flex lang na ako ang orchids. Happy, happy.